Welcome to this walk around video. Here we have a 2018 BMW X5. It is finished in Alpine White and does have full body kit on it from Maxton. Front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser and rear spoiler. This car does have a lot of factory specification as well, with the M Sport Plus package, cold weather package, does also have heads up display and the panoramic glass roof. With the M Sport Plus package you do get these 20-inch M double spoke alloy wheels. You do have sun protection glazing as well. Another feature to this car, it is also 7 seats. As you can see there, the gloss black diffuser and spoiler. With the cold weather package you do get heated outer rear seats as well, and it does have the black leather throughout. You can see the panoramic glass roof. On the inside it does also have the Harman Kardon sound system, and in the cold weather package you do also have the heated steering wheel. It does of course have electric front seats with your driver memory, and they are heated as well. Digital cockpit, and as you can see there's the heads up display. Infotainment wise you do have the professional navigation, Bluetooth, digital radio and your rear view camera all on there. Overall just a lovely X5 with a lovely specification. If you do have any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.